Today you're with Darren Phillips of the MarineMax Yacht Center located in Pompano Beach. We'll be taking a quick walkthrough of the 2017 Azimut 76 Magellano. As you enter from the stern, you'll notice the expansive salon doors, which open up into an open galley concept with full panoramic windows, giving you uninterrupted views of the sea. Large storage areas to your port with an open galley, perfect for entertaining on the starboard side. Full dinette, nice large seating area for your guests or relaxing. Walking up, you'll notice the massive window at the helm. Full complement of electronics, including the Seakeeper stabilization gyro. She's ready for a weekend excursion or a long voyage. We have a 17-knot cruise, approximately 23 wide open, entering the full beam midship master suite. Mirror behind, TV behind the mirrors. Nice large walk-in, stand-up full shower, large windows. This is a 4-stateroom vessel, 4 head, plus easy access to crew. Thank you for joining me today. If you would like to take a look at the 76 Magellano by Azimut, it's available in Pompano at the Yacht Center. You can reach me directly at 239-297-4085. Thank you for your time.